Every day is a new chance to get happiness. But if you can't, if you don't move on. So we are moving towards our college NCC unit, stable form and horses other activity. Me and my team, me, Rahul is on driving seat. Say hi Rahul.
Hi,
Ashish, cameraman and videographer. And this time, my lovely daughter Adrija has also come to see the adventure ride. So let's begin the ride. We are heading towards our college NCC unit. Hey everyone, a very good morning to all. So we have reached to our destination 1CG RNV Regiment NCC College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry Anjora Durg, and I am very pleased to introduce you all with Lieutenant Rajkumar Gadpale sir. He is also an assistant professor in our college. Hi sir.
Hello, Nidhi.
How are you sir?
I'm fine.
So since when you are taking care of this unit?
I am appointed as ANO in 2015, and since then I am taking care of this unit.
Amazing. Sir, when this NCC unit in our college has been raised?
This unit been raised on 3rd June 2013,
Okay.
and from 2015 we are continuously participating in RDC Delhi, Public Day Camp Delhi, and performing well.
Sir, how many NCC units are there in our state Chhattisgarh?
There are many NCC units in Chhattisgarh, but R&V NCC unit, the R&V NCC unit is only here in Anjora in our college, and that is very important because horses you can see only in this unit, R&V unit.
Okay, and rest other the NCC unit they don't have horses?
They are normal armored unit, naval unit, or
Okay,
air
okay,
force.
okay.
We are in this riding ground, and now I am going to introduce you to our Dafedar rider Rajneesh Kumar, and he is a national level rider, and he is a alpha level rider, and he is very great rider. We have an opportunity in his guidance for the cadets and for the girls also. During walking, as you can see, the four hoof of the horses thumps the ground separately, means at different time. All four foot thump the ground at different time. So it is called as 4-beat gait, because the beats of walking are of 4 type. It is called as 4-beat gait. And secondly, it is trot, which is a 2-beat gait. The adjacent legs are moving same, alike. And third one is canter. We also call it as dulki or dudki, dudki cha. In Hindi or in army language, we call it as dulki. And fourth one is gallop, means the horse is open and it is running to its full speed. The gallop, which is a 4-beat gait. Gallop is 4-beat gait, while dudki is 2-beat gait. You can see this is dudki chal. Exercising of horse, the warming up of horse is very important. The total time for warming up a horse is 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. This gait is called as canter, and it is small canter. Gait is called as canter out or gallop. Now the horse is galloping. You can see the speed and the gait of the horses, the majesty of the horses. Another exercise of horse, that is show jumping. We are preparing a horse and cadets for show jumping purpose. This is first jump. I am going to show you only 2 jumps. This is first jump, which is called as cross jump, and it is a very technical jump. The second jump is, you can see here, the second jump is this cross parallel. This is cross parallel. The setting up of a jump is a very technical issue, and only the person which knows about jump and the speed of the horse and the jumping of the horse, only he can set up the jumps. After exercising the horse are being here in this sandfield area where the horses take sand bath. It is an activity of a horse by which they can get refresh. और जैसे कि हम कहते हैं कि अंगड़ाई लेना, तो ये उस तरह की एक उनका रिफ्रेश होने की, it is a process of getting refreshed and they are getting ready for the next job. Due to sweating, for that purpose one need to wash the horses, to bath the horses, and prior to any competition it is necessary to wash a horse. After exercising of the horse or during any competition, if the competition is over, then the horse is groomed. The grooming of horse is very important. The grooming procedure is of total 56 minutes, which involves de-sweating the horse by sweat scraper or ghas bundle, then massaging the horse, then thapi on both the sides, then cleaning of nose, ears, hoofs and mouth, and after that inspection of the horse. One should, the person which is grooming the horse, he should stand a little far from the horse and should check the horse through all the four sides for proper grooming. And this is very important procedure. Through grooming, the horse get ready for next job or get freshen up, because during exercise the accumulation of lactic acid is there in the muscles, and during grooming the lactic acid returns and dissolves properly. So grooming is very important for the horse. Without grooming, the horse can get lame and will be of no use.
Sir, is there any specific layout to establish any NCC unit at any college?
Yes, there are some specifications for establishing a NCC unit, particularly the horse NCC unit.
Okay. Okay, sir, will you please allow us to visit this NCC unit?
Surely you can visit the unit. You can see here.
Thank you, sir.
I'll
It
show
will
you
be
the
our pleasure.
I'll show you the layout.
Sir, how many horses are here in this stable and how many breeds you are maintaining here?
We are having only one breed, that is thoroughbred, because the thoroughbred horses, it is authorized for Indian Army, and only thoroughbred horses can take up the work like show jumping and other things like that. And the names are given according to their the parental names. Like here you can see it is VI. VI means it is the name of the sire which has sired the dam of this pony, VI. So we have named it Veera. And in the front left shoulder you can see S1, S for Saharanpur, that is breeding center. Saharanpur is breeding center, and 1 for 2001 means this horse, the date of birth of this pony is 2001, and the color is BTG, and it is mare. Date of foal is 9th of February 2011. It is a pony horse.
I can see many other names which are very inspiring as well.
Yeah, I can show you some of the horses.
Yeah,
And also I
Fazal,
can,
Rustam, Roshan, Gauri, Arun, Suraj, Vijay, Farishta, Timer, very interesting name, Vijeta, Nishan. Wonderful.
In this row, we are having our eventing horses. Like this is Suraj, which is very good in show jumping. And this horse also leads the Prime Minister's rally during 26th of January Prime Minister's salute. So this horse is continuously leading the whole regiment.
Wow, so this is must-see horse. Phenomenal.
The layout is like that. A horse require almost 12 feet by 12 feet area for standing purpose, and the height of the stable should be 15 feet. The manger, means the feeding manger and the watering manger, should be 1.5 to 2 feet width and 2.5 to 3 feet length, and the depth is almost 1.5 feet depth. The manger is made so that the horse can feed above the ground, means almost 3 feet above the ground, so it is convenient for the horse to feed. The water is available 24 hours, clean fresh water is available 24 hours to these horses, while the feeding is done only 3 to 4 times a day. Means during competitions like RD, we have to prepare the horses, so we used to give feed 4 times a horse, and other time we are giving only three times a horse.
What food you provide them to horses to keep them healthy and fit?
This kind of feeding you can see here. The feed is very essential that the feed is wet. We have to soak the feed. We can't give feed dry. Soaking the feed is very essential. Otherwise, if we give dry feed, the horse will get colic. This feed is combination of various barley, gram, bran, salt, etc. And we can see in the stable, the standing area, there the horse are having hay for bedding material and for eating purposes. Also, we can notice two different. Here you can see the wet feed. This is for afternoon time, and this is right now. We are giving this feed right now, and this is we are giving at 11 to 12.
So this is an interesting fact. This is very reviving. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time and for the wonderful presentation.
Thank you, Nidhi.